What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax Danvers. My name is Adam Van Fleet, and today we're going to be walking through one of our boats in our luxury liquidation event. So this is a 2023 Aviara 40. Ton of boat, and I'm going to show you why that it is an unbelievable deal for a day boat under $700,000. We're going to start back here at these pearl white twin 600 Mercury Verados. These are the quietest engines on the market, and a really cool feature about these is, you might not be able to see it, but that lower unit is the only thing that actually steers and moves on this engine. So the top parts of these are going to be stationary, which is a little bit getting used to, but I promise you're going to get used to it. Super quiet, super efficient, tons of mid-range torque on these. You'll have passengers wondering if the boat's even on when you're sitting here at the dock. As we move our way throughout the boat, you'll notice the first thing underneath me is this beautiful sea deck flooring, followed by this awesome lounger setup. You have a couple of different options back here as far as the configuration. You can see you have a couple of cocktail stools here. Down the port side, we have that in the upright position. So you can actually get a nice stadium seating here. Anybody that knows boats, knows rafted up, knows hanging out, knows that the layout here is where everybody will be at every day on the sandbar. Port and starboard now, you do have these opening terraces. Obviously we're up against the dock on the port side, but this starboard side is open now. I mean, you want to talk about a dance floor? This is it. Cool design here through the sea deck. And that brings us kind of into the cabin here. Now, this stadium style seating setup is an island, so you do have access on both sides. What's really nice is it gives you that symmetrical feel, so no matter what side you're docked up on, you have the ability to walk right out pretty easily. Starboard side, we have a beautiful setup here. So first and foremost, again, if you're a boater, this is the type of stuff you look for. First of all, cup holders, but a super easy trash can right here. All right. Coming up here, you have a cocktail sink. I mean, ready for this? Watch this, guys. You have a grill. You have an iceable drink well. And then you have a true sink here. All right. Champagne holders in there. You have a fire extinguisher, dedicated storage here, as well as dual isotherm fridges with freezer drawers in there. You can't go wrong with this setup. I mean, between the counter space alone, if you're not grilling, I mean, look at it, how nice and solid all these shut too. So the counter space here is beautiful with the amenities underneath it. It's a game changer. Up top, we have a beautiful white gel coat hardtop full of Klipsch audio. These little squares here are all RGB lighting. So you have million color LEDs. Everything is interchangeable. You have lights on the hardtop, accent lights down below, accent lights in all the seating. Everything is completely interchangeable for that custom look and everything you want. Before I move too far up, I'm going to jump back here too. This is your aft sunshade. This design is nice. It doesn't get all bottled up like the traditional sunshade style does sometimes. Doesn't need really much readjustment. That's all there. That's about halfway out now, so you do have some more option to put that a little bit further out if you guys want some more shade. Coming up the port side, beautiful lounger setup. Again, more cup holders. You can never have too many cup holders. You have induction charging out back, USB outlets down the side, a table mount here, and then all this storage too. Another one in that back seat, but you'll see we have covers here, fenders underneath, all on gas assisted struts, nice hinges so you're not worrying about them falling all over the place and going crazy. Aft facing lounger is here, and you walk your way right up to the helm. Just take a second and check that out, guys. You really have an oversized double helm, right? But you can also put probably 3 people here. So what Aviara does is really cool. They use a Simrad display, a Simrad vessel view over there, and then on the left side, this longitudinal screen, you have all the boat dynamics right on there, right? So You have all your compartments. You go over to music, lights, tank levels, and all your settings are right on here. Very quick, very interactive, super simple to use. Up top, we have a sunroof, so this slides back if you guys want a little extra sun up here, but everybody wants shade out back. You have the option to go back and forth there. You have cooling cup holders, another induction charger, your trim tabs, and of course, you have that joystick to go over the joystick capability. Makes this boat super simple to drive. If you get on this boat and you've never driven a boat, nobody's gonna know. All right, I'm gonna send you guys up here to the bow. Let's check up the seating there, and you'll notice as we walk up to the bow how deep this seating is. Right? Listen, I'm not the tallest guy in the world, but I'm not the shortest. All right, so you can see this is mid-body height here. So if you have kids, if you have crazy friends, anything like that, they're going to be plenty deep up in this bow. Makes it really safe to ride up here, really comfortable. But also when this is running, this is way up out of the water. So you're not going to be wet. You're not getting, it's a dry ride and you're not worried about getting splashed over the bow. You have a full windlass up front. Again, more cup holders, more speakers, more chargers, radio connections there. So if you want to mess around with everything, you hate the song the captain's playing, change it. This all has a full cover too. So you'll put a tonneau cover over the front here when you're not using the boat, and another cover from the windshield back. Really cool. You'll notice these clips on the ceiling. So traditionally covers have poles and are tented up. These actually have hangers and it's hung down, so you don't get as many rips. You don't got to worry about poles. It's just on a quick pulley system, which is really nice. I'm going to step out the way here and open up this cabin. Nice heavy duty door on nice hinges there with an access window. But also, guys, when you get down here, you have a ton of space. Now, this is really where your traditional day boat differs as far as the aspects that are available down here. So you have a full bed down here. If you want to overnight here, you have the option to do so. That has a flip up backrest back there. You notice comes with a couple of nice pillows. That'll be lovely. Everybody knows we got to have pillows on the boat. You have a TV set up here. Now, this boat also has a Seakeeper, which your controls will be right down here. Seakeeper is your gyroscopic stabilizer. If you have questions about that, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll give you our number at the end. You can give us a shout. Let me see here. Throw these lights on. And I'll let you pop up into this wet head. Hanging locker. You can shower in there if you need to. Again, plenty of storage. You got storage underneath here. You have lighting controls, AC controls. This boat has a generator and, again, that Seakeeper I mentioned. So you really have everything you need down here. So it takes that day boat. Again, plenty of space for a day boat. Is really nice. Sunroof, or moonroof rather, over here. Really nice for a day boat cabin. Let's step back outside. We'll go over the rest of it. So now that we've gone through this entire boat, guys, you can see that the 2023 Aviara, it's a very well optioned boat. You have a ton of electronics on this, a Seakeeper gyro stabilizer. So anybody that is going to come out that may get seasick, fear no more. This boat is going to be a rock when it sits at rest, and even when you're running and using the boat like that. The twin 600s, beautiful, beautiful ride, super quiet, very well mannered, and with the size of those props, it's going to make any captain look like a pro. Beautifully equipped with the white, the gray interior, the gray sea deck. It really is a sharp looking boat, and again, a lot of boat for the money. Should you have any questions on this one or any of the other Aviaras that are part of this event, please give me a call. 781-635-8684 is my number. We are located at 10 Hutchinson Drive in Danvers, Massachusetts. This boat's currently in the water, so if you want to check it out, you want to see what it actually looks like, let us know. We'll set you up an appointment. We'll get you in a showing. Again, Adam Van Fleet at MarineMax Danvers. Feel free. Don't be shy. Give us a shout. See you soon.